can just, if I understood you correctly, the other thing was the trade fair participation for women or also them. Generally speaking, the same rules apply. So if you want to go to a trade fair, you do it under the same rules. Women do not have the means to pay the fair, not the stand fees and things like that. That is a problem, we know, but we have to inquire because, as far as I remember, some knowledge should be accessible. But that is something you have to inquire because these things. And I think all of those that have run programs are now paying specialists and run female-run businesses, because this is of course something of our overall political priorities to
honor for our business community as well as for the people of Sialkot too. Since Pakistan and Germany has decades-old relationship, in economy, trade, and bilateral relationship, we have very good with each other. Germany always support Pakistan in different regards, in different in business affairs, bilateral trades, diplomatic support, and in humanity causes too. Sir, I would like to apprise from the platform of SCCI and Women Chamber that we are running number of programs to enhance women empowerment, women entrepreneurship, women skill grooming programs, etc. In this context, we expect that your Excellency could play a vital role, as Mr. Khurram told us that GIZ is working very good jobs. So they are also doing different collaborating different sessions of training sessions and all that. So I would suggest that please make sure this thing that women must be the part of these sessions too. And I would like I would also like one more suggestion for you, that please organize. Germany always arrange different trade shows, different trade exhibitions. So please, there must be a quota for women entrepreneurs too, so they can participate in that trade shows. And once again, thank you very much for visiting us, and all the best.